Okay, got the door set in, spaced out how I wanted it, clamped together so it ain't moving around. Keep the margins good, top and bottom. And then got my little spacers in, getting ready to weld it. Tack it down and pull them off and set it for good. So yeah, those little spacers work good. Got my doors ready. It's a little coffee table. Still got to put some magnet catches on it. Gonna put a bottom in there so you have storage under it, and then the top will go on. But those little spacers worked really good. Looking good.